This is the Sennheiser MKE 600 shotgun microphone. Included is the windscreen, cables, a shock mount, the microphone itself, and some other assorted accessories. MKE 600 is a super cardioid pickup pattern microphone with internal phantom power and a built-in liftgate. With this full metal construction, including the metal mesh on the exterior and interior, this is a very premium feeling shotgun microphone. It is standard XLR output, though they do include an XLR to 3.5 direct adapter, so you can plug this straight into your mobile phone or to your DSLR. With this being an active microphone, it has an internal battery compartment which can be accessed from spinning the lower barrel and opening the internal compartment. The lower casing does not slide off, so you'll never have the option to lose it. As a power-saving feature, the on-off light only illuminates for the first moments of activation. The windscreen fits securely over the upper barrel and is a tight fit, so it will not be moving at all. Similarly, the shock mount simply snaps into place. For audio testing, we will be using this Zoom H1E with the line in and USB-C out to our recording device. And now we are recording with the Sennheiser MKE 600 shotgun microphone with the super cardioid pattern. This is the Sennheiser MKE 600 without the low-cut filter gate. And this is the MKE 600 with the filter gate enabled. This is the microphone pointed directly at the source of my voice. This is the microphone at 90 degrees from the source of my voice. And this is the microphone at 180 degrees from the source of my voice. This is the microphone at 90 degrees vertical from the source of my voice, and once again we have it pointed directly at the source of my voice. Overall, this is a highly performant and premium microphone, and I'm very excited to see how we can use this in the field. This particular unit will be paired with a Canon R50 and the Zoom H1E as a scratch track. While they are by no means in the same class of product, this will be replacing our MKE 200 mini shotgun microphone.